Mame mamo akwaba enfamo braga na st0mach TVGH. Mesrel like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, I will send back. It was Janvo. Say career path bia a natural progression. Every career path, let's say for instance, be a businessman or starting with you kind of saying be a provision shop. The person's any vision and say from small provision shop no person me see a supermarket and I say mini supermarket. Then from mini supermarket no the person will want to expand ABI into a mall. That is the dream of everybody, and everyone will tell you obi be a doctor bia no or person be a medical officer, from medical officer be a specialist, right? Then from specialist so on and so forth. Obi or a nurse. Per se, some of them want to go into branch into medicine. Some of them want to become nurse specialists. Some of them want to become anesthesiologist and all. And every career or progression. Obi or journalism. When you look at proper journalists, they also want to grow. Ebia from being a show host, no, or person be a general manager. From being general manager, person one NC station, the radio station, I say one MB in the podcast and all those things. Some journalists even praise say international media houses. They say CNN, Mu, Al Jazeera, Mu, and the rest, BBC, Mu, would actually employ them. Okay, but I say Ghana Hano. Ejuma bakwa me hu say nipa bebre ewo ma they don't have any ambition to grow. I was ajuma no mo media space. Because it's as if some Ghanaian media men no, they don't think twice when it comes to selling their conscience to politicians. Yeah. That is why you see say quickly NDC bano. Now I'm starting rewarding those so-called neutral journalists that were doing their agenda. I might be more appointment, a bit more NAS CEOs and you know them, maybe more presidential staffers. So most of them don't shy away. They don't care, say. They don't care to be journalists, stay by their convictions, be neutral as they should be, report the news, be critical and hold politicians accountable. And that is what I see was a guy I ever Samuel Huntor. Meaning I just praise on your igbeni. Because me a voter ni. Yes, and I mean say most of the people I'm say mobile public ebe can cause in phone. Most of them every me region me ya. Me nyanka move free me region. So that I can blast them properly. Because people say me bias, and I can me bias. Yeah. Hey, anka mi nyanka sa Samuel Huntor we ya mi nyanka free voter region. But I said Huntor I say I don't know. It's clicking something in my mind. Say obey votarian. Me kokana yenti I say Satan abusan Emma the kind of resistance the kind of position that MPP is giving to NDC and I say John Mahama and maybe God will have analyze Satan instead of sacking him. Do you know why he's saying this nonsense? Sorry for the choice of word. Because NPP foresee John Mahama did the wrong thing by using a helicopter to fly over floods. And now, how is it that people have refused to use how is it so? How is it like to live knowing say I won't use it? Maybe something. Now people have lost properties. Go for losing properties or source of livelihoods. Maybe on better. Now who are we on penino? Who for helicopter? How do you interact with the people? And yeka where yaka boni? Where yeka no? Yaka boni. Yeah, same.
Na President Mahama akotena ewiem shemu na ohwe said the nsuo no to yiri Ghana for. Me nua ba me so follow that conversation.
Oh, na no make
omo dia term omo yes
say enka ontra trog mu ana say enka yemfa ntena abobo yem
omo dia term omo ka be miswe se obonsam ema nyankopon opposition said the MPP se obonsam wo ye reckless opposition ema nyankopon said the MPP ye reckless opposition map government ka me culture sen ka nyankopon ko wanto bonsam amfiri soro so omra metena asase so ka nyankopon ko finish bonsam ni agent ko finish o kwata because MPP ye worse than bonsam 2015 so to yiri yen Ghana ni mapa Ibrahim Mahama so oti odo mu dia mayen MPP for dinner term
no wase me buofu masesa me mfidie
President Mahama and the Chief of Staff Julius Debra launch be a friend National Sanitation Day Sabo sumi bia yesimwa I think say either the last Saturday or the first Saturday of every month yenko yes and yenko prapra and titro ni animdifu e wo Ghana ha including otumfo mo nyina tie se bonten prai akufuado ya dabo wansi abonten amprada
na friend ya dabo
wansi abonten ampra man MPP fo wansi abonten amprada omo ba ba mu 2017 National Sanitation Day no mo tugu e and omo say omo kofa Ministry of Sanitation di aba ede won sanitation levy di ba ye eta musika
won sanitation
minister ba eta musika $43 million ede ma sisira brother pass ofan kwoti odo na Ibrahim Mahama ye ma efri ya nanase no
allegedly
ena ebesine ye hunhu hwe this is MPP for you Okofa MPP manifesto chapter 6 it talks about infrastructure now what throw bibi wo say MPP ba mu a the first one obey the handle as solve the flood problem and he say omo construct storm drains ni e gutters akese te say the da eye aladui kese omo construct dodo na wa Accra the city of Accra any other cities in so uniform any the immediate action abani be take but the long term action abani be taking is obey establishing institution be a friend National Hydrology Authority no majuma say omo na di design policies programs ebeba ye de be fix eye ensuyiri forever MPP manifesto 2016 miniaba MPP baba mu 8 years in ifra ba mu yene ati Accra ha umetimi akyere yen one storm drain MPP construct here there's none mu betimi akyere ba bia National Hydrology Authority omo office wo
eya man figure it
anyhow 2018 2019 2017 so ire makoje Garrett Samuel de ba abeboa yen ama ye de aye nsuo na nsuo ayira fa yen ye de solve problems ni nyina ama World Bank edisika titrio over $200 million and what the ma yen eno na akire ne yesa koye esa koje another money ni nyina ye de buy ukofa sa egare ye wuka nwasem ya 2024 thereabout MPP are spending over $200 million. Say omo de ye nyama e de be man suyiri akofom out of this money the almost spending ya ye beka say de ye gutters ye de drainage ye no say rainy infrastructure de end no just 32 million Ghana cedis over 170 over 200 million cedis no ye say consultation then ye ko abisa ye ko bisa limdifo no ye spending over 200 million on consultation the yisi ye de adwuma nankasa ye de sinsu yira no and only less than 40 million Ghana cedis. And the MPP, they are the loudest. Say, Adentina, ensure, Asa Iri, Edia Fire. Monsieur, 2 days here, President Mahama declare.
Me video ye in response to Kolebu Teaching Hospital for press release Amudia Betua Bonting. First of all, meda kolebu mpanyimfo ase say omuti asem no omombu amani anguso na omarechi out. De etie ni say mamfa ma asem ametudwa say me de gu aban n'anim ase. Ana say me de gu kolebu mpanyimfo anim ase. Ana me de say kolebu edwumayefo edwuma. Ni etie ni say me sister no onyo obi a oya yarefo. Enye so oyare da ho. Saturday twemu ye. Me ne kasa several times. Me ba me ne ye dwuma kra friend ne kasa several times. Me share ne boss Tuesday me ba me ho. Sunday ewia me wo ha na ne ba ne friend me, ne ba panyi friend me. O friend me asem o kan ne se ne maami. Maami e wusan. Me ne kasa nra. There was no sign of yare bia na bibi. Yes, resre kama eba ne sen. Amani obo me ne se. Me ne maami kasa wie ye anche bia ana osi ne yem. Ne yem ye ne ya. Enti no na wo say omoko hospital. Enti omoko the nearest clinic, aye Asha clinic e wa Accra. Omoko ye hwe no ne transfer ne say onko Kolebu. Omoko dru Kolebu no. Yesi empani ho ni agina to ho ahwe no nti ye de net na plastic chair so sana ne yem ne ye ne sana aircon no wanti ni antena plastic chair no so anche enti oda fom e fom se tiles so se terrazzo no so and oda fom cement no so se like she was on a bare floor ye trotro no ma ne baba na one ne koye no any nipa mienu ana omo ni ne wadwuma mu a asem ne siye ne baba no koto onro ni nyina ba afa ye siye de moja besi ne so omo ntua moja otua moja omo ye sa nyama we nyina still ya money treatment bia ya nhwe no oda fom ho saa ma de achi Sunday na Sunday we a owuye my sister no ye Muslim. Ento owuye no dana Sunday na eni sie no enra na yekoye adoa aka 40 days eti ni esi ye nie se ye de yarefo ba hospital na se mpa ni ho krampo na se fom no da krampo a e wo se yetime hwe no na wanhwere ne nkwa ya nhwe no. So this is not a matter of politics. Sisi content creators be no more fadi creative content and our buying and our politics. E bet me ato. Sa mpani ho situation yenye na start here. Enye mama buying so na start here. Ye ade a ewo ho. Na san hihye wo ho say so obi ba hospital na se mpani ho kra wo say ye hwe no. Na waba ya toto nro etua moja. Na ya nhwene na se wewu a enti kamin kama no ntum enti kabusua no kana no ma ye nka hwe ya ne ma fo o chomo because we nya treatment oda fom ya nhwe no edro no so amoko toto ba ye no so on be free hospital na ba no Kolebu for ni jidro no yamfa edro na amom musika na mdokoto yamfa amom ya refund sika bi amom ye mom san kra to sika enti Kolebu mpanyifo mamfa ma asema metodwa se me de begu manimu ase ana ase medwuma mamfa ma asema metodwa se me de gu aban n'anim ase me de asem ne betudwa because we've had this thing happened so many times. And ya Kolebu pe government hospital bia beti esi empani ho. Media asemi betu dwai. Some people reach out to me say uko Kolebu ana uko government hospital bi na ukitisika. Ni etie bia ebenya mpa ma wada so. So ye ni particular ni influencer bi public figure bi na uko a ayarisa bia empani wo kra ye benya ye behwew. Nti wo say nyina ya atichifu ansa. This is not a matter of politics. this is not a matter of religion. This is not a matter of spirituality. Mudi your content. And a spiritual way, and a religious way, and a politics way. A bet me a true. Sama mama me can, but kole company for me de who says that the ego sukoso. Mama yenhwe you. The way asem to obi. Na ebeto dwa mudi your content. Na mudi didi nipa no ho didi nipa na tem gu nipa no ho fi. Ekeka ne anim nyina obi a won kwan sa asem ba o kire na adwen. Ni esi ye no. Kole bumbenyi for ni esi ye no. Medical a release press statement ni bi e dey ato me page so. Wa open details bia. Obetini akwa pa ko ready bi. Esi Saturday ya. And Sunday.